Okay, we are beginning our video with Eli, and he is going to take over. But here is our beginning of our project.
And the water.
Fire, tongs, and wet money. Okay, Eli, you take it from here.
Do.
What do I need to do?
Fire!
Okay, Eli, you're going to get the fire? Or you want Papa to do it?
Peppa.
Okay, this is Eli's experiment. Okay, Papa, tell him what he's doing. Is he going to set this money on fire?
Light it. Do it.
What?
Ooh, cool.
We're burning money.
My money's up in smoke.
And now it's gone.
Why? How'd you do that?
Check it out. And the money's not even hurt.
Yay!
And Eli, can you tell them how we did that? What was on that money? Water and what?
Water and fire.
And alcohol, rubbing alcohol.
What? I didn't know that.
And that's the end of our experiment.